I have a quick question for you. When it comes to surgery, which is more important? Elective surgery or urgent or even emergency surgery? Now, obviously, you might say, well, if the surgery is happening to me, then they're both pretty important. And we would agree, yeah, that's pretty true. But when it comes to this idea of elective versus urgent or emergency, emergency is often correlated with life saving. Like there is no time to waste, it is time right away to get you to the operating room. When it comes to elective surgery, it might simply be saying, hey, we have some time. We want to wait for the doctor's schedule. It's still important. It's just not as urgent and life saving. And when it comes to the Word of God, I want to kind of redirect our minds, thinking about surgery, to Hebrews 4, starting in verse 12. And here's what it says: For the Word of God is alive and powerful. It is sharper than the sharpest two-edged sword, cutting between soul and spirit, between joint and marrow. The Word of God exposes our innermost thoughts and desires. And so here again, we see this idea that it's sharper than the sharpest two-edged sword, but then it mentions body parts, soul and spirit, joint and marrow. And so I think in our understanding of kind of surgical instruments, it might make better sense for us to understand the Word of God is like a scalpel. It is able to expose and to show our innermost thoughts and desires. It's able to help us realize, are we following the truth or following a lie? Are we walking away from Jesus or are we running toward him? The Word of God shows these things. And so I want to encourage you. To expose yourself to the Word of God when it comes to this idea of letting it be a scalpel in your life. I would encourage you, if you're feeling urgent or emergency situation right now, run to the Word of God. Have it show you where you need to turn. Have it show you where you can find peace in the middle of your anxiety. And maybe if things are kind of more relaxed right now, I would encourage you to electively open up the Word of God. There may not be as urgent or as emergency situation, but you still need it. I still need it. So allow the Word of God to open and to show where you're thinking, where you're going, and above all, to show you Jesus so that we can follow him closer this week.